Hey all, here we are to tackle a common problem in linear regression modeling. And that's the fact that sometimes when you plot your variables, your x and y on your chart, they don't go where you want them to. The x goes to the y and the y goes to the x. So let's tackle this question here. Do large apartments cost more per month in rent, right? We've got our linear regression model. We've got rent is our y variable, and the size of the apartment measured in square feet is our x variable. What I'd like to see is apartment size on the x and monthly rent on the y, and I've typed all that stuff in, but just because I've typed it there doesn't make it so. How do I know it's not so? Well, I know that there's a problem. My first giveaway is that the model, the linear regression equation that Excel volunteers for my trend line in R-squared does not match the coefficients given when I use the regression option in the data analysis tool pack. The other thing that I know that gives it away is the fact that monthly rents, at least according to this, range from 0 to 5,000. But if I take a look at the real value of monthly rents, the highest value is 2,400. In fact, it's the size of the apartments that give us values up to 4,300. So here, this point where 4,300 is our y-axis value tells me that I need to switch my axes. How? Well, click anywhere in the chart and then right-click. And then go to Select Data. I can leave everything alone except for the x values and the y values. You can see here that my x values are in column A, A2 to A41. Well, that's rent. That's not what I want there. So I'm going to clear out my x and y values. And for x, I know. For x, I'm going to grab square feet. And for y, I'm going to grab rent. I'm going to click Save or OK. And now my chart looks good. I've got apartment size on the x with that one large apartment, monthly rent on the y, and now the equation and R-squared on the chart matches the coefficients included in the regression table. All right, that's the way to do it if you already have your chart made. Okay, knock yourself out.